जी, बहुत शुक्रिया शब्बीर, तमाम तफसीलात के साथ बातचीत करने के लिए, हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। तो जम्मू कश्मीर के प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी ने वादी के हवाले से क्या कुछ कहा मजीद, आइए सुनते हैं।
had shared with you details of the proposal for easing out of restrictions and providing of relaxations. I am happy to inform you that even as we speak, the process of providing relaxations and easing of restrictions is already in progress. On communications, as we speak, 17 telephone exchanges out of a total of 96 in the Kashmir Valley are functional, enabling functionality of landline phones. It is our endeavor and attempt that by today evening, at least half of the total exchanges in the valley are made functional. And carrying forward this process, we hope that by tomorrow evening, barring a very few vulnerable areas or exchanges, all the telephone exchanges in the Kashmir Valley shall be made functional. The Jammu region, landlines, mobiles are already functional. We have also opened up mobile internet with some functionality in at least 5 districts and shall be successively and in a calibrated manner opening up other areas as well. On overall restrictions, since morning, relaxations have been provided in 35 police stations across the length and breadth of the valley. While the situation is being closely watched, there has been no untoward incident reported so far. Public transport has started plying, and we are getting encouraging reports of normal movement from a lot of rural areas. We are looking forward to opening of schools, beginning with primary schools all over. And as we mentioned yesterday, there will be full functionality of government offices beginning.
उधर रियासत जम्मू कश्मीर के हुज्जाज कराम की